Hi, I'm going to show you how to use a servo motor in Arduino, how to wire it and program it. First, take your black wire, which can be plugged into the black or brown cable on the servo motor. This then gets plugged into the ground on the Arduino. Next, take your next wire, plug that into the red plug on the servo's cable, and plug that into the 5 volts on the Arduino Uno. And then finally take your last wire, plug it into the orange pin, and plug that into pin 9 on your Arduino. And that's it. Now we have to program it. Okay, so now we're going to start this project. First, go up to Sketch, hit Include Library, and hit Servo. This lets the servo library, which has all the presets built in, so we can really easily use the servos. Now go down here, and we have to tell it that we want to have a servo called whatever you want to name it. So you type servo, and then you type whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to call this servo. And then you just hit semicolon, and that's it for that. So now you've named a servo. Now you have to tell it that you want that servo to do something and where you want it to be. So now we're going to say servo.attach, and then you want to do parentheses and then say the pin that you plugged into. So we plugged it into 9, so I'll type 9, close parentheses, semicolon. So now it knows that servo, our servo called servo, is attached to pin 9. Now we can use it. So to use it, you type servo.write, and then you put in whatever you want, so 0 to 180 degrees. So right now, I'm first going to tell it to go to 0, which is that. If I want it to go to 180 degrees, I just type 180 like that, or whatever number within 180 degrees. Alright, so now let's run it. So plug your Arduino in to your computer. Make sure you're connected in the right port, and then click Upload. So now it is uploading, and it's going to run. But my servo was already set to 0 degrees, so it didn't change because it was already at 0 degrees. But if I run it again at 180 degrees, it should move. And as you can see, it works. If I go back and tell it to run again to 0, works like a charm. So that's how to easily and quickly program servo motors using an Arduino Uno. Now you can have up to, I believe, 6 servos hooked up to one Uno, but you do have to remember to use an external power supply. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video.